Have you ever pondered over the complexities of maintaining servers and data centers? It's a world hidden behind the scenes of our everyday digital lives, where dedicated professionals ensure the smooth operation of our internet-reliant world. But how do they acquire the necessary skills and knowledge for such a demanding task? Let's delve into the step-by-step process of becoming a certified professional in servers and data center maintenance. First off, one must understand the basics of computer hardware and software. This includes the different types of servers, their components, and how they operate. Various online resources and books can help you grasp these fundamentals. A strong foundational knowledge in IT and computer science is also beneficial, though not always required. Next, it's time to learn about the specific systems and technologies used in data centers. This includes understanding how to manage, store, and retrieve data, as well as how to ensure data security and integrity. You'll also need to learn about network infrastructure, as data centers are often linked to multiple locations and services. Once you have a solid understanding of the basics, it's time to get hands-on. Practical experience is invaluable in this field and can often be gained through internships or entry-level positions. Working in a data center environment will expose you to the day-to-day challenges and tasks of maintaining servers. The next step in your journey is certification. There are numerous certifications available for data center professionals, each with its own set of requirements and exams. Some of the most recognized include the Cisco Certified Network Associate Data Center, CCNA Data Center, and the VMware Certified Professional Data Center Virtualization, VCP-DCV. These certifications are a testament to your proficiency and dedication, and can greatly enhance your career prospects. But the learning doesn't stop there. The field of IT is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest technologies and practices is crucial. This involves continuous learning and development, often through further certifications and training. In conclusion, the path to becoming a server and data center maintenance professional is a challenging yet rewarding one. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and practical experience. But for those who are passionate about technology and eager to play a vital role in our digital world, it's a journey well worth taking. Now that you have a clearer understanding of what it takes to maintain servers and data centers, why not take the first step in your journey? Zion Tech Group offers a range of services globally, including maintaining tape libraries, data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment. For more news, tips, and information about data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment, do subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to visit our website, www.ziontechgroup.com, for more resources and opportunities to further your knowledge and career in server and data center maintenance. Remember, the path to success starts with a single step, so why not take that step today?